How do I set up direct deposit with TurboTax?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to set up direct deposit with TurboTax. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of getting your tax refund directly deposited into your bank account. Let's get started.
Accessing your TurboTax account.
To begin, you'll need to access your TurboTax account. Log in to TurboTax using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the on-screen prompts.
Navigating to the direct deposit section.
Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the section where you can set up direct deposit. On the TurboTax homepage, look for the Federal tab at the top of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Refund and Bank Options.
Entering your bank account information.
Now that you're in the Refund and Bank Options section, you'll be able to enter your bank account information for direct deposit. TurboTax will ask you for details such as your bank's routing number and your account number. Make sure to double-check the information you enter to ensure it is accurate.
Verifying your bank account.
After you've entered your bank account information, TurboTax may ask you to verify your bank account. This verification process helps ensure that the correct bank account is being used for direct deposit. TurboTax might make small deposits into your account, usually a few cents, and ask you to confirm the exact amounts deposited. Carefully monitor your bank account for these deposits and enter the correct amounts when prompted by TurboTax.
Finalizing your direct deposit setup.
Once you've successfully verified your bank account, TurboTax will guide you through the remaining steps to finalize your direct deposit setup. You may be asked to review and confirm the information you provided. Take a moment to review everything carefully to ensure accuracy. Congratulations! You've now successfully set up direct deposit with TurboTax. This means that any tax refund you receive will be deposited directly into your bank account, saving you the hassle of waiting for a check to arrive in the mail. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, TurboTax provides comprehensive customer support to help you along the way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.